Thought for the day, Sunday, August the 25th. Allow light to invade the day. In the same way, your light must shine in people's sight, so that, seeing your good works, they may give praise to your Father in heaven. Matthew chapter 5, verse 16. Light shines through good works. It shines through the Christian's good works. You may tell me, not only Christians do good works. There are also others who cooperate in development, build homes, promote justice. You're right. No doubt, the Christian does and must do this, but that is not their specific function. They must do the good works with a new spirit, that spirit which makes it possible not for them to live in themselves any longer, but for Christ in them. In fact, the evangelist not only thinks about isolated acts of charity, like visiting prisoners, clothing those who lack clothes, or about all the works of mercy updated to present-day circumstances, but to the full commitment of the Christian's life to God's will, to the point of making their whole life a good work. If the Christian does this, he is transparent, and the praise will not reach him, but Christ in him, and through him, God will be present in the world. The Christian's task is, then, to let that light in him shine through, be the sign of God's presence among men. Chiara Lubich, excerpts from the Commentary on the Word of Life of August 1979.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.